Look at this giant dog, dude. Oh shit, what's it doing?
That might be its mating call for you, Colby.
Nice horsey.
There's a fucking fly on it.
Look at that beautiful sunset. There's a beautiful sunset.
Oh my god, look at you. I think it's a real cat. We are out here in
What the fuck is that? What is that? Oh my god, it's a giant owl.
I've never seen an owl during the day. Dude, look at his eye. Holy fuck.
Wow. You have to know there's like at least 20 snakes living in there. Oh, hey.
But there's no bears in California, right?
Oh, that's a spider web.
Dude, walk through it.
We already hit it.
We're so scared of spiders, but not of ghosts.
Whoa. Oh, fuck. Oh, almost fell.
God, that's so massive. We're gonna get ghost cat. There was a goddamn bat.
I haven't opened the jar yet, and there's a gnat.
There's like a little gnat in there.
How did that get in there?
What?
Guys, duck.
The Krusty Krab pizza is the pizza for you and me.
I like rolling boy better.
Oh my god. Hey, pigeons. Hey, pigeons.
Oh my god, attack you.
Oh, he's gonna shit on my head.
We're always more scared of pigeons than we are actually ghosts.
Oh god, okay. Oh, nasty. Oh, rolling louse. Oh my god, it's right there! It's right there!
Bats are scarier than ghosts, guys, I swear.
Bruh, there's animal right. Fucking boss, run! What?
Holy shit, it's right next to your
Radio Doggy loves me and I don't care. I will get thyroid cancer for Radio Doggy.
Oh, dude.
Oh god, I'm getting fucking heebie-jeebies.
There's nothing over here.
Wait, wanna see something creepier? You just touched a freaking centipede, dude. I don't know. What's in Texas?
Deer?
Deer, maybe? Yeah, we're afraid of deer.
Yeah.
Oh,
Trains?
Wait, it's raining.
Oh, big spider!
Oh, fuck. Go back to Australia.
Oh, bro, now that's rain!
Oh wait, it's raining.
It's raining bad. It's raining bad. We gotta go, Nate.
Dude, it's raining like a shit!
Please. It's a cock. Look at the little cock.
Oh, the bat, dude, the bat flew right in front of my face. Yo! Alice the ghost dog. Bam, bam.
There's a big spider!
Oh!
Pick him up.
Stephen, I got it.
Oh, he pissed on you! He just peed all over you.
Oh my god, look at this.
I've never seen snow before.
We are
Before we go to lunch, we gotta see if radioactive doggy is radioactive.
as radio doctor.
Alright, radioactive Scooby-Doo.
Yeah.
Bunch of mosquitoes in my eyes. Damn, we're always in forest, man. What's going on? Oh my god, a snake! A fucking snake! I swear to god. Watch out, watch out. It's right there. It's definitely poisonous. We should probably just leave, but I want to see it, guys.
I'm just trying not to get fucking wet.
So this
Oh, what the fuck are you? Oh my god. Dude, why do birds always try to kill us, bro? Kiss the boss. There's hella bats.
Close the door, close.
forest shelter. Whoa! Holy fuck!
Shit, dude. Get out. Gonna visit us in our.
Oh my god! Why are you so mad though? I thought we were cool, man. Can I try to touch you again? Oh Jesus! Hour.
Yeah, pretty much.
This is a hermit crab farm. We got probably about 7 to 10 like hermit crabs in here.
Gosh,
probably
dude,
7.
that one's huge.
That one's giant.
What's his name?
His name's Leroy. Oh, get lower, lower than gravity. Oh!
Brent got a freaking up. There's no way. No way we're gonna go do that, dude.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, what?